What's up guys, welcome back to the channel for a new video. I'm actually in south of France since the beginning of August. Today we are the 13th of August, it's my birthday and I've decided to make a trip with my best friend. We're actually on the road to a beautiful location, I hope. Normally there is some waterfall there, but I'm not sure because it's summertime, so we will see. But I'm really excited to make a new vlog because it's been a long time and you're probably wondering why I'm in south of France. And it's because I went here to work as a DJ and I've shot a lot of festivals during this summer with big DJs, so it was really cool. You're gonna see that pretty soon in a video. I'm gonna show you how I shot festivals, my GoPro 11 settings for low light and night shots, a lot of cool things. Don't miss this video, it's gonna be really cool. But now it's just time to enjoy a cool trip with my best friend, my FPV Mavic 3, and just have some fun. Okay, so we found this first spot called the Cascade du Saut du Loup in French, and it's pretty nice. So I'm gonna put out my FPV, the Skirt V2 with the GoPro 11, and let's see what we can get here. This is my job. Now we are back on the road trying to find another spot, and the weather is not that great, but hopefully the sun is gonna come out later. Okay, we find another spot and it's really insane. Look at that. Look at this small village here, and also right here there is a lot of mountains. I can fly my FPV here, and there is an abandoned church, so it's pretty nice. Okay, let's go.
I'm the one they getting into and I don't break a sweat. Let's get it, 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 yeah.
The previous spot was insane, and we just find this one. It's the last one for today. This huge canyon here, it's perfect for FPV, so let's fly. So I'm back at the hotel. We wanted to go somewhere else, but it was the end of the day, so it was really dark inside the canyons, so we've decided to move and come back home. But I didn't want it to leave you guys like that. I wanted to make more, And a few weeks ago with my best friend we did another trip. It was absolutely beautiful, so I've decided to make a quick cinematic video of this trip and share it right now with you.
I got the power, feel it in my soul. I never settle for less, I came to win the gold. Blood, sweat and tears is what got me here. I fought against the best and never had a fear. My legacy, my prophecy, I'm chosen for it. Can't nobody stop me, I was destined for it. I'm a winner, a champion, headliner, what's happening? I'm a soldier, a fighter, find me where the action is. For I'm searching for, I'm standing strong. Under the spotlight, I shine bright, I'm right at home. I fought up from the bottom, this where I belong. Please don't try to challenge me or you'll see why I own the throne.
And last but not least, my friend, don't forget to give a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video right now. Subscribe to support my channel and hit that bell to receive a notification for my next video. I can't wait to see you guys again and I wish you all the best. Salut!